All right, welcome back, TJInspires, Dr. J. So I seen someone do this called dump and bake casserole, like a spaghetti casserole. It's like a dump and bake, but here are the ratatouille noodles. Got some meatballs, the cheese, the rotel, not the rotel, but my diced tomatoes, tomato sauce. And I'm gonna do a small dish because I'm gonna be also cooking for today and tomorrow. I'm thinking about gonna change my noodles. Call me a little extra, but I love to drop a bouillon cube in my noodles. So what they did was they put the noodles and everything and like dumped everything in together, but I'm not like that. I'm going to boil my noodles because I want my noodles them to be soft. So I add a little a bouillon cube. I usually add, and I'm not gonna use a whole box because I'm only making a small dish. Put some water in there, and I'm gonna add some chicken broth to make sure my noodles are flavored. All right, so we have cooked the noodles. So I like to, so we're doing the dump and bake pasta. So I like to season my noodles. This is one of my favorite seasonings. I got some cheese. I'm gonna add my like diced tomatoes because I just love diced tomatoes. I just love them. So I dump and bake. So I'm gonna have my little dish for the pan. Put some cheese at the bottom. Here's the meatballs. So I'm gonna dump the pasta noodles. And I'm gonna put the the meatballs. I don't want to over dump it. So I'm gonna put some more cheese. This video is like, all right guys, so here is the finished product of the dump and bake pasta. Next time I'm gonna use a lot, maybe some different cheeses, but yeah, here's the dump and bake. I forgot how I let it bake. The meatballs, the dumpling.